Hey folks, Zoe Mai here. Welcome back to Haven's Kitchen. Today we're making pan-seared flounder with quick pickled onions and tahini. We love this recipe because even though folks find fish to be a little bit intimidating, I'm going to show you how it's actually super easy and simple to prepare. What makes this recipe pop is a mixture of quick pickled onions, which are just red onions with a little bit of dried fruit. We're using raisins today, currants, chopped up dried apricots, really anything that's going to add sweetness and absorb some of that delicious pickling liquid. We're also going to throw a little bit of salt in there as well as some vinegar. And then of course the star, our golden turmeric tahini sauce, which just rounds everything out. We have a nutty richness from the tahini. We've got lemon. We've got all these delicious flavors coming together to make this 5-minute fish dish a star of your dinner. If this recipe sounds like something you'd love to try, make sure to subscribe to see all of our future videos. All right, let's cook. The first thing we're gonna do is make our quick pickle, or quickle as I like to call it. First thing we like to add is a pinch of salt, and that's just gonna, again, sweat our onions a little bit and bring out some of those natural juices and flavors. Then we'll add our dried fruit. And lastly, we'll pour our vinegar over top. You can give that a little shake, stir with a spoon, stir with your hands. You can see that our onions start to turn this beautiful magenta color, which tells us that the pickling process is working. And those raisins are gonna soak up all those juices and balance the acidity of the vinegar and add some sweetness. Next, we wanna get a nonstick pan heating for our fish. We're gonna sear that in a little bit of butter. We're gonna salt it right before it hits the hot pan, and that's it. Once your pan is nice and hot, add a couple little pads of butter here. Get it sizzling. Turn it around a bit so you coat your pan. All right, and last tip, you're gonna want to lay the fish away from you. Just start at one end and drop it right in. Give it a little shake. We're gonna cook this on about 2 minutes per side. Once the fish is opaque along the edges, it's time to flip. To plate this dish, we're gonna put a nice drizzle of our golden turmeric tahini sauce on the plate. We're gonna put the fish right on top and then a beautiful tangle of our pickled red onions and raisins. Now we're adding our pickled onions, which I love to twist to create a nice high pile. All right, so there we have it. Our pan-seared flounder, super fast, came together in just a few minutes with our pickled onions and our tahini sauce on top. To bulk this up, you could serve it with some buttered noodles, which would be super, super delicious, maybe a little crisp white wine, and you're good to go. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to like this video and subscribe to see all our future cooking videos. For the full recipe and a textable shopping list, click the link below. Thanks for watching. Cook happy. Catch you later. I'm just kidding, because it's a fish, you know.